Oh no! No! I caught a duck. I accidentally threw my lure out. No! Oh, I gotta help this duck. I gotta help this duck. I did. I got it off. I think I did. I gotta go up there. So I was casting my lure out there, and he winded up getting tangled in my line. How crazy is this? How crazy is this? I gotta help this guy. Oh shit, he's tangled. He's tangled, I'm tangled. Okay, let's see if I can help this duck. Oh man, this is going to be a pain, but we're going to give it our all. Okay, buddy, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm trying to do this without harming you. Ah! Let's help this guy. Let's help this guy. How do you do this? How do you hop a fence in the process of trying to save a duck? This is out of control. I didn't sign up for this, guys. But you got to give it your all. Try to help the animal. Well, here we go, guys. First thing I'm gonna do is untangle him. Here we go, guys. So I'm going to start by cutting this, which is what I did. Start by cutting this off. Being a good duck, huh? Being a good boy. Don't move. Trying to help you. Trying to help you, buddy. Oh! Trying to help you. Come over here. So I don't want to just cut the line. I want to untangle them as much as possible. If I had another hand here, that would be great. So what am I going to do? I'm going to start cutting lines here. Oh, I don't want you flying away. I don't want you flying away yet. I'm helping you, buddy. All right, I think he's good now, guys. I got all the line out from his wing, I think. Hold on. Yeah, I think he'll be okay. I think he'll be all right. All right, you're cracking. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Just want to get this line out. I saw it. Get this line right here. Right here. There we go. All right, we got it. Buddy, I apologize greatly. You go about your way. Here we go, guys. Whew. You can't make it up. We untangled the duck. And here we go. We're letting him go. Here we go. See you later, Mr. Duck. You can't make it up, guys. He's flying away. Whew. If that isn't live action, guys, I'm not quite sure what is. You know, got feathers in my mouth. You know, this is one of those situations where, you know, you're casting out there and the wind takes it. I saw the duck. Obviously I didn't try to hit the duck. Obviously I'm here fishing. But you know, one thing about me, I'm an animal lover. And you know, I didn't try to horse him in. I tried to gently, you know, first of all I had to hop the fence. Okay, number one, hop the fence. Then I had to untangle my line from this wood over here. Okay, a lot of wood over there, which is what we did. And whew, we winded up getting this big Daiwa SP minnow off of my good old duck. Gonna name him Howard the Duck. But in all seriousness, I'm happy he's okay. Hopefully no animals were harmed in the process of making this video. And in fact, we did save them because we took the time to untangle them and bring them on land, get all the line off him, get the lure off him, and we did a good deed. Everyone's happy. I gotta re-rig this and get back to striper fishing, which is what I'm trying to do, guys. So I got a 10-foot rod down there, got some lures down there. All right, let's re-rig this. You can't make it up, guys. You can't make it up. I'm very happy the duck's all right though. He's on his way. Good stuff.